So, last night I'm going to bed and I'm looking at the 60 chart. I'm looking at the 5. I'm looking at the 10, and I'm saying, uh-oh, these guys have found support. We've said 71 to 72 support. And we said there's a gap here, right, 82 from the 12th. One more above us. And truthfully, in overnight trading where there's no resistance at 200,000 contracts, come on, it's not like you got 2 million. So it's easier for the boys to stretch the range, double top that 83 test. And my assumption is anybody that is playing short side understands it's a scalp. This is the profit-taking move. So you have a choice when we get to the 82 zone. Do you want to buy it, do nothing, or take a shot, scalp short? And this 10-minute chart is a beauty. Okay, we're retesting yesterday's high at 79. Anybody gets to the 80 area, remember, against the push, you get a couple of points first, 2, 3 points, put in your pocket. Because the market is obviously still hot. And we've had a breakout. So we can go to any day high today. And I said, first time back, that 83 should be resistance. Next time, no. Because this is a profit-taking move. And there will be some traders who tried to short earlier, the double top, and those traders are going to be held captive until we get back down under that 79. So if you look at the 60 chart last night, 60 was in sync. Ten-minute chart was in sync. Look at your 5. 5-minute chart was in sync. So here's the alligator pattern. And I think this is designed today to break that 83 before we're done. We'll do a little backing and filling, but I think the boys have in mind, because those traders now have some decisions to make. And they went to bed last night, they were probably still feeling okay if they were position traders. We've had a 40-point run for the week, though, against those traders. And any weekly shorts that haven't taken, their stop outs, they're underwater. They're going to get squeezed still. So today is buy pullbacks. Yesterday was a resting day. Truthfully, when we have that huge day the other day, I do not like this kind of a pattern. It shows manipulation. Cannot trust it. But you can't fight it either. So scalp type trades today. And if you played early, if you read the pattern right and played early, you're taking profits right now, or I'm assuming you are. So we're going to use 75 as our key support. And don't be surprised if we get a little two-way action today. This is the first demon that's formed right here. 81.25. And today, because of the type of day it is, meaning a jump the creek day with half gap available and so on, If you get yourself against today's push, 3 to 5 points, consider yourself a lucky. And then, who knows whether we get another one of those stupid days like we did the other day. But for now, my assumption is that we'll be playing hit and run. Grab a couple points here, a couple points there. So the 83 resistance for this pullback is based on a profit-taking idea ahead of the open. It's strictly a scalp. And shorts, you probably need multiple attempts today. Yesterday's high is right here. So we need to keep an eye on that zone. And you can see that breakout right there. So overnight, once you see this gap form, comes back, and if you get up in the morning and you see that, this thing is pushing, first thing you want to look for is evidence that we've got trap traders and squeezing, just like the other day. It's suicidal to fight the push. We can have our opinions about manipulation and everything else, but if you're going to be a trader, you've got to be going with the flow. And that box that formed this morning, you can see it on your 10 as well. So I'm going to keep the 10-minute chart because I think this is the right chart for now. Fast enough to see the pattern and backed up by the 60. And today is buy pullbacks except stop outs. This is the morning after trend day that we did not get yesterday because it was resting.